Let's start with number 3. Ninja VPN. It has annoying ads and sometimes low speed, except for that it is a pretty good VPN. Interface is clean and easy to use, doesn't require any registration, and gives you unlimited bandwidth with many servers to choose from. Let's move on to our second VPN. In second we have Proton VPN with its good security and strict no-log policy. This one also gives you unlimited bandwidth, but only in 3 servers, and you have to register to use this one. It also offers kill switch, which is rare to find in free VPNs. We have Takin VPN in 1. This is a decentralized VPN. It also gives you unlimited bandwidth with no registration required. And you can use many servers or add a server yourself. And it doesn't contain any ads. Isn't it good? Well, everything have its bad side as well. We have no kill switch and sometimes connection becomes unstable. Other than that, it is pretty good VPN. Let's meet again. Thank you for watching.